Megan performs really well at school. She puts a lot of hard work and effort and a lot of enthusiasm into her math at school, and it's been noticed in her end of term reports and also by her teachers, and we are very proud of Megan.
I think he's good. He's really interested in math. He likes to solve mathematical questions or problems. So he's really eager, and I think in general he finds it pretty easy to get along with maths in general.
He's obviously enjoyed the challenge, and hopefully you'll do it this coming few months as well. I think he likes to keep his sort of quizzes on the background as well as his normal work. And he enjoys maths, and I think it just gives him an extra boost to keep learning something different, as well as the sort of, I would say, curriculum-based learning that happens in school. This is beyond the curriculum, and I think he enjoys that.
As I mentioned earlier, Merat loves math. So during primary school, he aced all the questions and all the math-related subjects. When he started high school, and as you are aware, he is in the Ignite program and he is in the compacted program. So one of the first 20 children who are attending the compacted program who will be completing 3.
Ayan does perform well in school in mathematics. He's in an accelerated mathematics program so for year 7, he's studying year 8 and year 9 mathematics. He also, throughout his primary school years, like I was saying, mathematics is his favorite subject. So he really enjoys that.
Ishan, I would say, is doing great when it comes to maths in his school. In fact, his teachers, his friends love him for his passion on maths. He is very helpful when it comes to any of his friends who don't understand difficult sum, and he's there to help them. More importantly, I think he gave 2 times International Maths Challenge test in each of the grade 5, grade 6. In grade 5, he was the world champion, and in grade 6, he was world elitist. So I would say that has boosted a lot of his confidence, and in fact, in the recent MAP test, what he took at his school, his percentile score was 99th percentile. So that's what I would say the IMO platform is making a huge difference in terms of his learning, his skill set, and more important, I think his passion for gaining maths learning.
Shruti performs well for math in school amongst her other subjects as well. I would say that she's probably ranked within the top 10% of her cohort for math regularly.
Walid mostly perform good in the class and sometimes excellent. So A+, A-, I. And definitely there are phases in teenage life as well as in adult's life. So sometimes the mood swings that also sometimes go little bit away from the target. But he normally is a very good student, and in an Ignite program there are 25 students all over in his grade that's performing very well, and Walid is out of those 25 students.
Aryan has been a great performer of maths throughout across his lower school and now in the middle school, and he always likes to get on to the next level. So I think it's been fantastic being part of International Maths Challenge.
As far as I learned, Wenbo is the best one in maths in his grade.
Very well, actually. She does, maths is her strength, and she does really well. I think she's the best at math when it comes to all other subjects, like in comparison to mathematics. So maths, she's normally a 99%, 100% kid, and probably a 99th percentile when it comes to the percentile ranking of same sort of students in her class. And she enjoys maths, and maths is her passion. So that's the only reason that she does really well with mathematics.
Siddharth is quite good in maths. So he's been writing these kind of Olympiads since almost few years, like I said before. And he's been always a top performer in math and physics in his class. So this, of course, was a great boost to him, because apart from the regular exams that he takes at his school, this was a little bit beyond on what he has learned in his classroom. So this has actually aided him in his overall knowledge. But overall, I would say that he performs quite well in math exams. He always scores 95 above in his exams.
In school, he's quite good at maths. He's like the topper in the math class. Teachers are always praise him well for his math.